Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will review the language function used by teacher of content subject using English as the medium of instruction. This study aimed to describe the social and academic language function of English employed in teaching content of subject and to explain the problems faced by the teachers when they taught context subjects using English. The data were obtained through classroom observation by recording the teaching and learning process with four different content teachers. The descriptive qualitative approach was used to analyze the result of the study. The findings showed that three out of four contexts of content teacher had employed all kinds of social language function. Introduction education is the most important one to draw attention to. It's because the goal of the education itself which creates the new generation to be ready born to compete with others in global competition. To support this sector commence 2005 thinks that government policies should attempt to influence the process of education by supporting the teaching of certain language in school and in some cases by actively discouraging the maintenance of other language, usually the language of subordinate groups within the society. The other language which is meant here is a language that can be used to communicate to the others around the world. Research methods. The descriptive qualitative approach is used in this study. The data are taken from four different content teachers: mathematics teachers, physics teacher, biology teacher, and chemistry teacher. During the teaching and learning process, all of the teachers' talk are recorded and transcribed. The data are taken from the classroom setting. They are taken in the form of classroom recording. To manage to manage the data, some techniques are involved to obtain the data. They are observation, recording, interview, and questionnaire. Interview and questionnaire are used as supporting data. The interviews aims to conform to the accuracy of the impression of what has been get through observation and analysis of the recording. Therefore, it can be used to enrich the result of the study, while questionnaire is used to see the students' perception about the use of English employed by the content teachers in teaching content subject in bilingual classroom. It also aims as well as to conform to the accuracy of the data from the student points of view. Here's the summary of a social language function: mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology. And this is the summary of academic language function. Uh, there are four: mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology. At the conclusion, the content teacher's way of using social and academic language function is different among others. The use of social and academic language function support each other. The social language function supports in maintaining the social relationship among the student and the teacher, as well as the plot of the teacher and learning process. Meanwhile, the academic language function supports in giving the materials to the students, including how to solve it, how to evaluate it, how to justify it, and so on. That's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.